Hello, this is Rachel Teacher, and today we're going to learn how to play Among Us. Among Us is a game of teamwork and betrayal. Players are either crewmates or an imposter. Play with 4 to 10 players online or via local Wi-Fi. There are 2 ways you can control the game. You can use a joystick or you can touch the screen. When hosting a game, you have control over how the game plays. Firstly, determine who you want to play with. If you want to play with friends online, set to private and share the room code. If you want to play with others from all around the world, set to public. Want to play with more tasks? How about faster walk speed? More imposters? As host, you can change these settings. Be sure to confirm the changes with your fellow players. If someone is being rude or spamming, host can temporarily kick players as a warning or ban players from the specific online room. Players have access to a personal map to help them navigate the ship. The crew, objective, field group taskbar, or discover the imposter. Complete tasks to fill gauge. React to imposter sabotage. Call emergency meeting when imposter found. Report dead bodies. Check admin map and security for suspicious activity. The imposter. Objective, kill off the crew. Blend in with the crew. Sneak through vents. Pretend to run tasks. Sabotage the ship and confuse the crew. Close down doors and trap victims. Kill off the crew between cooldowns. Shh. While playing in person, no talking is allowed to keep the game fair between the crew and the imposter. If a player is killed by the imposter, they cannot talk until the game ends. Ghosts will still run their assigned tasks, working towards a possible crewmate's win. Discuss. When someone reports a dead body or calls an emergency meeting, the crew gathers to discuss what they know about the imposter. Players can now talk openly about who they think the imposter is and what information they have. When playing in person, ghosts cannot talk as they already know who the imposter is. Imposters will try to prove their innocence or accuse another crew member. For example, "It's not me. I didn't do it. Purple did it. It was purple." After discussion, vote for who you think is the imposter. Whoever gets majority votes will be ejected from the ship, so vote wisely. If you don't have enough information and have decided as a crew, you can also skip voting to avoid ejecting someone innocent and gather more information. Practice in free play mode. Set your own tasks as a crew member or practice your imposter killing strategies. Well, let's try free play mode. The scaled. Alright, so here I am. Here's a little laptop thing that you can customize. And up here in the upper right corner is the map. Here you can see everything. According to the map, I have to go where the yellow exclamation mark is. So there's 2 in weapons, 1 in navigation, and 1 in electrical. So that's how you do it. And then you just go over there. For example, I'm going to go with this one. So here. And then you touch the use button. And you have to destroy the rock. Task complete. See, and now you can see the gauge is going up. And once it's all full, it means it's finished. And that's how you play. Thanks for watching. See you later.